Hi, in this video, I show you how to turn your computer into cloud storage device. This download link is in the description of the video. If you don't know the IP address, use the IP address scanner tool to find it. The tool I use is Advanced IP Scanner. Copy the downloaded file to the target computer. Enter the correct IP address and account of the target computer. The tool I use is WinSCP. SSH username and remote IP address. Enter your password. And run this command. Wait a moment. Now you can access the Nextcloud web install wizard in your web browser. Database user is Nextcloud. Database password is 123456. Database name is Nextcloud. Next, set it up so that you can access it from the internet. Port forwarding 80 and 443. Then, dynamic DNS. Set up trust domain. And, finally try the results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.